So one of the most frequent questions we get is, what kind of battery does my scooter take? And while we have Big Red out, I figured we'd go over just how to determine what battery you need. Well, let's start by getting this battery out of here. Well, easier said than done, but all right. So, yeah, okay, the old girl's seen better days. But anyway, under this hatch, we got the battery. And, if you have the battery, it's obviously much easier to determine what your replacement battery is. You pull it out, you look at it, and, well, here you go. So there's going to be this number here, YTX7ABS, in this one. FA means factory activated. You don't need to pay attention to that. If it's a universal parts battery, it will have the part number on it for universal parts, which is the 104-43. But otherwise, the YTX7A is what you're really paying attention to. So this is an important number. Call us up with that number, and we'll be able to sell you the battery immediately. It's easy peasy. If you have the universal parts number, the 10443 on this battery, for example, we can use that as well. Now, another way that you can do this, and we'll show you how to do this on the website, is you can take a measurement of the battery. A lot of Chinese batteries won't have these numbers on them. So if you take measurements of the battery, and then you can call us up with those measurements, or I'll show you in a minute how to use the website to find the battery of those measurements. That will work too. Now, a lot of times people buy a scooter and they don't have a battery in it. And they're like, all right, now what do I do? So you take a measurement of the battery box. In this case, it's going to be like 150 millimeters by like 90 millimeters by like 50 millimeters, something like that. And I use calipers for everything because it makes it easy. If you don't have calipers, get calipers. If you're going to work on a scooter, get a set of metric calipers. Everything is in millimeters, and it's the best way to tell what you're doing. So anyway, you can take that. I mean, you can use a tape measure too if you want to, I guess. It's fine. Here, tape measure, whatever. Use calipers, it's better. But anyway, jot down your numbers of the size of the battery or the size of the battery box.